Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can export products from WooCommerce to Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify dashboard and this is how the homepage looks like. So once you're here, just go to the left side of your screen. You're going to find all these sections. So right here, you're going to find the home section, orders, products, customers. Here, you're going to find content, analytics, and marketing and discount. Here under sales channels, you're going to find point of sale and also online store. And lastly, right here, you're going to find apps. So basically, guys, the first thing that you need to do is click on apps. And then once you're here, you're going to find all of your installed apps. And here in the bottom, you're going to find all recommended apps. Give it a click. And then once you're here, just go to the bottom and then you're going to find get more recommendations in the Shopify App Store. Go ahead and click on Shopify App Store. And then this will take you to this page right here. So basically, guys, once you're here, just go to the top. You're going to find this little search bar. Give it a click and then search for WooCommerce. Once you do that, go ahead and hit enter. And then you're going to find all these results for your search. So right now, just go ahead and click on Able Star WooCommerce Importer. Migrate products, orders, and customers from WooCommerce. Give it a click. And then you're going to be here in the products page. Once you're here in the products page, go ahead and click on Install. And then once you click on Install, the application will be added to your dashboard. And after that, just click on Open. And then you're going to be able to open it. So once you open the application, right here, you need to enter your WooCommerce site address. Then add your consumer key right here. And lastly, add your consumer secret. Once you do that, click on Begin Migration. And then you're going to be able to migrate products from WooCommerce to Shopify. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.